Hello, I'm Rob.
And I'm Lisa.
Welcome to our channel about our journey to the Charente. So it is what date?
The 21st.
So it's the 21st of January. We are in Limoges, France. This is the first part of our journey on moving over to France permanently. So for the Legates mag, we're going to go downstairs with the mag and have a go through it with an aperitif. And yeah, tomorrow we'll be having a drive around the Charente,
where we will be able to show people a lot more of the area, because at the moment our flight was delayed and it's dark, so there's not a lot to show. But we will see you tomorrow.
So we are, where are we? It's where you normally sit in the place in the sun, look. Oh, we are. Il fait très froid aujourd'hui. Je n'aime pas. So we're here, but where are we?
In France.
Whereabouts?
Untitled Chapter.
Huh?
If that's how you pronounce it.
Probably. Are we going to walk up there?
Where?
To the castle? The chateau? So unfortunately the weather wasn't very good where we were, and I couldn't connect to the internet, which meant I was limited in both height and distance away from the actual controller. So the footage is a little bit poor. On a nice day I'm sure it'd look a lot better. A word of warning, the French don't really like people using drones. You know, they've got similar sort of legislation as they do in the UK, but they get a bit more arsey about it. Word to the wise. I think we can have a drink now, let's. And we did have a drink. Yes, we did. And it was nice.
And this is our journey, so don't forget to hit the like button.
And subscribe so that you get notified of new content every time that it's uploaded. Thank you.